Hey everyone, and welcome back to Auto Insider, my YouTube channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a truly groundbreaking vehicle, the BMW iX5 Hydrogen. This SUV isn't your average gas guzzler. It runs on hydrogen fuel cells, making it a potential game-changer in the world of sustainable transportation. Let's dive in and see if the iX5 Hydrogen lives up to the hype. Alright, buckle up because this is where things get interesting. Unlike most electric vehicles that rely on batteries, the iX5 Hydrogen uses hydrogen fuel cells to generate electricity. Here's the gist: hydrogen gas and oxygen from the air are combined in the fuel cell, creating electricity that powers the electric motor, propelling the car forward. The only emission? Clean water vapor. That's right, folks. No tailpipe emissions, no harmful pollutants. It's a win for the environment and a glimpse into the future of clean driving. Now, let's talk about performance. The iX5 Hydrogen packs a punch with its electric motor, delivering a healthy dose of horsepower and instant torque. This translates to a smooth, responsive driving experience that's perfect for city commutes and highway cruising. Plus, with all-wheel drive available, you can tackle any terrain with confidence. Of course, when it comes to electric vehicles, range is a big concern. The iX5 Hydrogen boasts a driving range of around 240 miles on a single fill of hydrogen, which is comparable to many gasoline-powered vehicles. However, unlike waiting minutes to refill a gas tank, hydrogen refueling stations are still relatively scarce. But the iX5 Hydrogen isn't just about what's under the hood. This SUV boasts a sleek, futuristic design that turns heads wherever you go. The signature BMW kidney grille is redesigned for improved aerodynamics, and the overall silhouette is both stylish and practical. Step inside the cabin, and you're greeted with a luxurious, tech-laden environment. Premium materials, comfortable seating, and a panoramic sunroof create a truly upscale feel. The infotainment system is BMW's latest and greatest, offering intuitive controls and a plethora of connectivity features. So, what sets the iX5 Hydrogen apart from other electric vehicles? Here are some key selling points: zero emissions, drive guilt-free with clean water vapor as the only byproduct. Performance, enjoy the responsiveness and power of an electric motor. Refueling time, fill up in minutes, similar to a gasoline car, assuming readily available hydrogen stations. Spacious and luxurious interior, comfort and technology combine to create a premium driving experience. The BMW iX5 Hydrogen is a bold step forward in sustainable transportation. Its innovative fuel cell technology offers a clean and powerful alternative to traditional gasoline engines. While the lack of readily available hydrogen stations remains a challenge, the iX5 Hydrogen represents a promising future for eco-conscious drivers who don't want to compromise on performance or style. So, what do you think? Is the BMW iX5 Hydrogen the car of the future? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more exciting car reviews.